If you want better answers from ChatGPT, the secret is learning how to write better prompts. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT prompts the right way, so you get clearer, more useful, and more accurate responses every time. This is going to be super helpful whether you're using ChatGPT for school, work, content creation, business, or just everyday tasks. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple AI tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, step 1 is to be clear about what you want. A vague prompt usually gives a vague answer. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about marketing," try saying, "Explain digital marketing in simple words with examples." That small change makes a huge difference. When your prompt is specific, ChatGPT understands your goal much better and can give you a response that actually fits what you need. So always try to be direct, clear, and specific. Step 2 is to add details. The more helpful context you give, the better the result usually becomes. You can mention the format you want, the tone you want, or the purpose of the answer. For example, you can say, "Give me 5 points," or "Explain like I'm a beginner," or "Write in short paragraphs." These details help shape the response so it matches your exact need. If you want a professional tone, say that. If you want something simple and friendly, say that too. If you need an answer for a presentation, blog post, email, or study guide, include that as well. The goal is to guide ChatGPT so it knows how to respond. Step 3 is to use follow-up prompts. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that you don't have to get the perfect answer on the first try. You can keep improving it with follow-up instructions. For example, after getting a response, you can say, "Make it shorter," "Add examples," or "Explain step by step." This is how you refine the output until it fits exactly what you were looking for. Think of ChatGPT like an assistant that improves when you give feedback. The more you guide it, the better the final answer becomes. Step 4 is to use prompt templates. This is one of the easiest ways to save time and get consistent results. A prompt template is a reusable structure you can fill in with different topics. For example, you can say, "Act as a teacher and explain topic," or "Give a step-by-step guide for task." These templates work well because they already tell ChatGPT the role, the format, and the goal. Once you find a prompt style that works, you can reuse it again and again for different tasks. This is especially useful if you create content often, write emails, study, or work on repetitive tasks. So if you want the best results from ChatGPT, remember these 4 things. Be clear, add details, use follow-up prompts, and keep reusable prompt templates. That simple formula can completely change the quality of answers you get. The more specific your instructions are, the better ChatGPT can help you. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes to write prompts that give exactly the response you want. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.